I pushed the wrong damn button. Come on, Kathy, skip a rock. There we go. Skip a rock. You know how. There we go. Yes. Skip a rock, collect a rock. Man, I'm gonna have a pocket full of rocks in a minute. That was a good one. Here's another one. There we go. That was 4 skips. That was so cool. Oh, that one was really cool. Nice flat one. Did you see me flipping rocks? Now we gotta get up. Ugh. So glad that rock held me. I don't know, guys, if you can't see the beauty in that, I don't know what to tell you. Because that is beautiful. I don't know what the slots are.
is a slot, a gang. Because down there it says slots names. Right there it says slots. Like, what is a slot? I want to walk over there to see that waterfall. But I don't really want to come across a bear. I'm kind of scared of bears. Just kind of a little, lonely little. You know, because it's just a bear. Down here, this, where we are, quite obviously used to be that old bridge. So they went from this bridge to that bridge. And now you get the beauty that is this. So I hope that you enjoy our little excursions of adventures. This summer is going to be amazing for adventuring. I have a car. I haven't had a car in a long time. Like 7 years I've been not without a car. So it changes the point of adventure. So look forward to that. Look forward to adventuring with me. Look at this tree. That's a big ass tree. We're gonna climb up there and you can see, oh, I found a path. I found a path to where I wanted to go. Not really a path, but a path. And I found a little creek. A little creek running. Little creek running into the river. They must have the dam closed because there's no way in hell that that river should be You love the sound of running water? Foraging? I haven't really come across anything I can forage yet, but there's a big mushroom. There's something hanging from that tree down there. How do I get down there? How do I get down there? Okay. I'm in the middle of the woods all by myself. So I'm just going to back out. I do believe I'm safe. New leaves. Yeah, I'm gonna back out and just navigate that when I'm not alone and I have a hatchet. Because the worst thing would be for somebody else to come down there when I'm not alone, or when I am alone. So we're gonna climb up these roots. Well, I went that way and I should have went that way. Okay. This tree, and these are its roots. So that kind of goes to show you how deep a tree's roots go. Oh my goodness. Isn't that way cool? That tree. It's falling off. It's on the side of a hill. It's like a super tree, if you would. Okay, well, we're back where we started. That's that tree. So, there's my car. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!